Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. In this video, we are going to learn the super fast trick to solve the linear equations in two variables. Two equations are given, that is 5x plus y equal to 7 and 3x plus 4y equal to 11. So these are the linear equations. Here there are two variables x and y. We have to solve this. There is a shortcut method. Using that we can write the answer immediately. So the shortcut method is x is equal to gamma divided by alpha and y equal to alpha divided by alpha. First we can write the answer for the variable x. So x is equal to, this is the variable x, equal to gamma divided by alpha. So this gamma we have to take like this. We start from this number. Here the number is 1. 1 into 11 minus this number 4 into 7. So for this gamma symbol we write like this. So we start from this number. Here this is 1y. So we take this number 1 into 11 minus this number 4 into 7. So this is 1 into 11, 11 minus 4 sevens are 28. 11 minus 28 is minus 17. And then divided by alpha. And this denominator alpha is always left side xy coefficients. Write alpha like this. So we start from here. This number is 1. 1 into 3 minus 5 into 4. We start from here. This number is 1y. So that is we take this number 1 into 3 minus this number 5 into 4. 1 into 3, 3 minus 5 4s are 20. 3 minus 20 is minus 17. Now we can get the x value immediately. So this is minus 17 divided by minus 17. We can cancel this. So the answer is 1. So here x value is 1. Next y equal to alpha divided by alpha. So this is the y variable. So we write y equal to alpha. We take alpha in the remaining terms like this. So we start from here. 7 into 3 minus 5 into 11. This is y variable. So we take alpha symbol in the remaining terms only. So we have to take like this. Here this is 7 into 3 minus 5 into 11. 7 3s are 21 minus 5 into 11 55. 21 minus 55 is minus 34. Divided by denominator is same. See, the denominator is same alpha. That is what we show it in green color. So this number minus 17 is same in the denominator. Now we can cancel this. Minus minus get cancelled. 34 divided by 17 is 2. So the value of y is 2. And here after getting x value, just substitute this x equal to 1 in the first equation. So we get 5 plus y equal to 7. From this also we can write y value immediately. That is y equal to 7 minus 5, which is nothing but 2. Next let us solve the another question. Here there are two equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 17 and 3x minus 2y equal to 6. First let us find the value of x. So this is the x variable equal to gamma divided by alpha. So we have to take gamma in the remaining terms like this. We start from this number 3. 3 into 6 minus this number minus 2 into 17. So this is 3 into 6 minus this number, minus of minus plus 2 into 17. 3 6 are 18, 2 into 17, 34. 18 plus 34 is 52. Divided by, denominator is alpha. Alpha always left side xy coefficients. So we draw alpha like this. That means we have to start from this number 3 into 3 minus this number 2 into minus 2. So 3 into 3, 9. Minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. And now 52 divided by 13, that is equal to 4. So the x value is 4. Next we have to find y, and this is the y variable. So we write y equal to alpha divided by alpha. So this numerator alpha we have to take like this. Since this is the y variable, we have to take alpha in the remaining terms like this. So we start from this number 17 into 3 minus this number 2 into 6. Here 17 into 3, 51, minus 2 into 6, 12. 51 minus 12 is 39. Divided by, this alpha is same like x denominator. So here we have 13. Same 13, take and write it here. So we get 39 divided by 13, which is equal to 3. Therefore, the value of y is 3. So for this second question, the answer is x is equal to 4 and y equal to 3. Similarly, we can solve the linear equations in two variables using this super fast trick. Thanks for watching.